Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my macaroni salad. All right, this is going to be quick, easy, simple, and very delicious. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need about 8 ounces of large dry elbow macaroni. Bring some water to a boil, add salt to taste, and then add the macaroni. And you want to let this cook for about 8 minutes. Make sure you stir it occasionally, okay? I will be using a quarter of a red bell pepper, a small chunk of a red onion, 1 celery stalk, and a small amount of parsley. But of course, you can use more or less as you desire, okay? I'm gonna dice all of these ingredients down really small, okay? But if you want yours medium chopped, just do it however you like. I like mine small. So I'm also going to soak my onions for about 10 minutes in cold water just to tone down their flavor. Onions can be a little overpowering, and I did not want the onions to just take over flavor wise. So I am going to continue on by dicing up the remaining ingredients. After your macaroni has cooked, drain off that water, okay? And you also want to shock the macaroni, okay? So what that means is you will need to run some cold water onto the pasta. This will stop it from cooking. Also, if your pasta is a little salty, like mine was because I added too much salt, if it's a little salty, the water will get rid of some of that salt, okay? So yeah, shock the pasta. Okay, so for the dressing, in a large bowl, I have here a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip. Now to this, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sour cream. I will also add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 teaspoons of ground mustard powder, salt and pepper to taste. And I will also write the recipe in the description box. So in case you didn't catch anything that I said, you can find the recipe written down below. All right, so I'm going to combine these ingredients, give it a really good stir until this all comes together and it's well combined. So I always encourage y'all to taste as you go. So as you can see here, I have my clean spoon and I am tasting this dressing. I'm going to add a pinch of sugar. I did not add all of that sugar that was on the spoon, just so that you know. I just added a little, okay? I really felt like it did not need a lot of sugar because of the Miracle Whip, all right? But if you are not using Miracle Whip for this recipe, if you decide to just do all mayonnaise, then of course you will need to add more sugar, okay? So now I will add all of the ingredients. As you see here, I'm going to give this a really good stir, and I'm going to taste it again, and you will see that I will add more black pepper, and I also added more salt. All right, so from here, this is done. Y'all, this is a really quick, easy, simple recipe, yet it is so delicious. This is it. This is done. This was really good. I hope y'all will try this recipe and let me know how you liked it, okay? And I can't wait to read your comments to hear your thoughts on my macaroni salad. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you as always for your support, and I cannot wait to chat in the comments, and I hope to see y'all in my next video.